Guys, this is a 2022 Ford F-350 King Ranch. This does have the diesel motor. Four-wheel drive. This is a rebuilt title, did have some roof damage. They replaced the cab. It's got new tires on it, 37-inch tires. It has a lift on it. This thing's sitting probably at 6.5, 7 feet tall. Does have massage seats. Here's your VIN number. No sunroof on this one. So almost 62,000 miles on it. Cruise control. Tow package does have the FX4 locking differential, heated, cooled seats, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android, smart key with remote start. Have the automatic side steps. Rear heated seats. Slow release tailgate. Does have the step in here. Bed liner. Fifth wheel prep. Little damage through here.